Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old screen now. Unlock the window and slide the sash until you can reach the screen frame. Lift the screen bottom out of its track at a shallow angle, then tilt the top free and pull the whole frame toward you. Once removed, clean the spline channel and check for bends or rust. This prevents leaks and ensures the new net will seat evenly, so don't skip inspection. Lay the replacement mesh flat and cut it about 1/2 inch larger than the frame on each side. This margin makes tensioning easier. Center the mesh over the frame, then begin pressing the spline into the channel with a spline roller. Start at a corner and work around, keeping steady tension so the fabric stays smooth. Once the spline is fully seated, trim excess mesh flush with the outside edge using a sharp utility knife. This gives a neat, tight finish. Place the rebuilt screen back into the window. Lift the top into the upper track, then lower the bottom until it drops into the lower track. Test the sliding action and inspect the mesh for even tension and a good seal. If you notice sagging, remove and reseat the spline with firmer pressure. If you see tears or edge gaps, don't force it. Remove the spline and either patch a small hole or refit new mesh so the screen works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.